Episode 14. The mythical evil star Tybi corresponds to a new scientific interpretation of future crises. Welcome to the special lecture on mythology and science. I am the master of time and space, Dongfang Hao. Tybi Jinxing is one of the most important gods in ancient Chinese mythology, with a lofty status and a unique image. In Taoism, Tybi Jinxing is one of the star gods of Venus, belonging to the 5 star gods: gold, wood, water, fire, and earth. He is also the white tiger of the west and is associated with the golden virtue of autumn. Stripping away the mythical shell and uncovering the historical core, why do I call Venus a malignant planet? Because Venus is gradually entering its final stage as a planet. If you've watched the second episode of this lecture, Serial Starbursts, you'll understand Venus's future trajectory. Venus is roughly the same size as Earth and can be considered a sister planet. Because of its closer orbit to the Sun, it is the most energetic of the 8 planets. Venus also long hosted life, including Venusians and numerous animals. 13,000 years ago, Venus was spinning in the same direction as Earth, counterclockwise. An unexpected collision between Mercury's core and Venus's atmosphere caused Venus to tilt forward for several weeks, reversing its north and south poles. Since then, Venus has changed its orbital pattern and continued to spin clockwise. The momentous changes that day caused surface water on Venus to rise into the atmosphere and form dense clouds, creating a true greenhouse effect. As a result, Venus's surface temperature increased dramatically. It is the hottest planet in the solar system after the Sun, with a temperature of approximately 460 degrees Celsius, 984 degrees Fahrenheit, higher than that of Mercury's core, which lies very close to the Sun. If you stand on the surface of Venus, you can see the Sun rising in the west. Due to the scorching heat of Venus's surface, groundwater slowly evaporates into the atmosphere, so acid rain often falls there. In this purgatory-like environment, all life on Venus is thought to have died out long ago. The Earth's crust is becoming increasingly thinner due to the erosion of high-temperature cobblestones. In the future, when Venus's crust can no longer contain the energy it holds, Venus will explode like Mars when a planet dies. Since Venus is in the inner orbit of the solar system, while Earth is in the outer orbit, analysis of the aftermath of the Mars explosion shows that, after all stellar explosions, most objects are ejected into the outer orbit, while only a small portion are ejected into the inner orbit. Furthermore, Venus always orbits opposite Earth. The magnitude of the devastation caused by a Venus explosion on Earth is unimaginable. Compared with the devastation caused by other asteroid impacts, Venus represents the most significant crisis humanity will face in the future. The next episode will tell the story of Mars' past, present, and future, hoping to provide new inspiration.